Welcome back to another episode of DreamTanksTV. Alright, legit. So, looks like DogeCoin has fallen under the 20 EMA on the 4-hour here, fell under the 20 EMA and bounced off the 50 EMA, which is the orange line, and is moving upwards. So it looks like we have strong support on the 50 EMA, very strong support on that 50 EMA at about a good 13.47. It fell all the way down to about 13.30 to put it in perspective. All right, yeah, Dogecoin is look like it is also popping above the 20 EMA. We have another hour and 38 minutes for this counter to close right here, but look at this yellow line. This yellow line is a 20 EMA, and Doge is above that, and if it closes, we're going to get another green, which is going to point upwards. All right, so let's see what happens. Dogecoin does look bullish, and on top of that, the reason why I say that as well is the stock RSI finally is pointing up. It was pointing up over here as well as over here, but looks like we have a nice maybe triple bottom here to go up. So we are at the bottoms. The thing you don't want to do, you don't want to sell the bottoms. This where you're at the bottoms. So when Dogecoin leaves you, you're going to be buying the tops. So you don't want to sell the bottoms and buy the top. All right, if anything, you want to hold through the volatility and figure out, are we finally topping out? Then maybe I could take some profits. But you don't want to take profits at the bottom. You never want to take profits at the bottom. Instead, you want to add more at the bottom of the stock RSI. Because you know that money at the bottom of the stock RSI is going to become profitable when it moves up. All right? So this is the bottom of the stock RSI. To put it in perspective, this price range right here is the bottom of the stock RSI. You don't want to sell the bottom of the stock RSI. All right, that is the bottom of the stock RSI. All right, so 4 hours says we're about to go up, but you got to do what's best for you. We're going to do what's best for us. And what's best for us is holding on, because we know Dogecoin is moving up and it's going to make us more profitable. Everyone will do what they need to do, what's best for them, and hopefully y'all become profitable. And all we're doing is showing you what we're doing, and then you make the educated decision for yourself. Do you want to make a decision to get in the market, stay in the market, get out of the market? What do you want to do? So hopefully you make the right decision for you and your well-being. All right, so let's look at the daily. 4 hours says up. Daily, look at that beautiful daily. Oh my goodness, look at that. They had a beautiful fake out, got everybody to think we're going lower, and we had a green candle. This is beautiful upward momentum. Yeah, we're gonna go up. We're gonna go up for sure. We're gonna go test 15. We tested almost 15 cents on Monday, the 21st. We tested just barely 15 cents. Now we're gonna, oh, thank you. Now we're actually gonna go test 15 cents. All right, chat. So it's all good. It's all good. And also, stock RSI is pointing down, but you can skimmy in this area to keep pushing higher. You don't have to just go down. It don't work that way. You could just skimmy in this area and just go sideways. All right? You could just literally go sideways while the price keeps moving and climbing until it finally finds the top. Then it finally falls. All right? So don't get scared just because it's pointing down. Don't mean just, okay, we're going down. No. It could just grab walk sideways. And then when it finally finds the top, then it'll come down. All right, chat? But this is what you want. You want it to be up here. All right? So when we are up and finally find the nice top, then it finally comes down. The day says up. Day says up. 4 hours says up. All right, chat? 4 hours says up. Let's look at the 1 hour real quick. 1 hour is trying to break out of the red super trend. If we break out of this red super trend and get a green super trend, we're moving up. We're gonna go test 15 cents. All right. We also made a lower low into a higher low. So if this plays out and pushes up, we're gonna go make a new higher high from a previous higher high. All right. So we are definitely going to go ahead and break through this resistance because we got to make a new higher high if we get a green super trend. So far it looks bullish. Let's look at the 30-minute real quick. 30-minute got a green super trend. It needs to hold. It needs to hold. It needs to hold. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. What the hell? There we go. So we'll see. 4 hours says up though. That's the main thing we do. We look at the 4 hour. Everything can go up and down in short time. But the main time frame is the 4 hour, the daily, and the weekly. That is the main things we focus and we try to show y'all because that's really what matters. And right now the weekly is green. The weekly is green, beautifully green. We have 3 days and 22 hours left of this weekly. Also, whoops. Also, stock RSI is pointing still up and still making a beautiful W pattern. So we have more room to go. That means Doge has more room to go upwards. So you play what you want to play. We're holding because we know Doge is going to go up. We had a red. We've seen this before. You have a little minor red to fake everybody out. Then the next push. We're going to have a nice push upwards to the upside. So you do what you like with that information and you make the best educated decision for yourself. All right, Chad. We're going to make the best educated decision for ourselves. And we're going to hold. We're not selling because DogeCoin is over 14 cents and pushing higher. Stock RSI on the 4 hour says we're going up. So it is what it is. DogeCoin to me looks bullish. We're holding and it's pushing up. All right. You do what you do. You do what you want with that information. You got to make the best educated decision for yourself. And that's it. None of this is financial advice. Hopefully you become profitable and make a lot of money. All right. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. We'll see you on the next episode of DreamTanksTV. Yeah. Take it easy, buddy. Later.